solve system of equation. X squared plus y squared plus x plus y is equal 8. X squared plus y squared plus 8y is equal 7. Do you know how to solve this? If you know, please do it. When you do it already, please come back to watch my video from beginning to the end to verify your solution. And before we go to the solution, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting video. Okay, now we go to the solution together. Okay, this I let this first equation and this I let it second equation. Okay, first step, I subtract first equation with second equation. Now, first equation and subtract second equation. Okay, so this x squared minus x squared equals 0, and this y squared equal this minus y squared equals 0, and this x plus y and minus this xy equal this x minus 7 is equal 1. Okay, now I change 1 from the right hand side to the left hand side. So this I get x plus y minus hy and minus 1 equal 0. Okay, now I group this into factors of it. That I can write this 8 and minus hy and plus y and minus 1 equals 0. So this we group up this, and this we take h out of factor. So this we get 8 and multiply 1 minus y, and this I take minus 1 out, so we get this minus and multiply this 1 minus y, and this is equal 0. Okay, now we see this it is same, this 1 minus y and this 1 minus y. So now I take 1 minus y out of factors, so we get this 1 minus y and multiply this 8 and minus 1 equals 0. Okay, so now 2 factors is equal 0. So this we get this 1 minus y equals 0, or this x minus 1 equals 0. So now this 1 minus y equals 0. So we get this y equal, or this x minus 1 equals 0. We get x equal 1. So now this, for this, if y equal 1. Okay, if y equal 1, so this I take 1 y equal 1 to replace in second equation. So now this we get this x squared and this plus 1 squared and this plus h and multiply 1 equals 7. And so now this I get the equation as second degree, that this x squared and this plus 8 and this 1. If I change 1 from the right hand side to the left hand side, so we get 1 minus 1 and we get minus 6 and equals 0. And so now this we can factors of this, that we can write it x squared and minus 2h and plus 3h and minus 6 equals 0. And so now this we group up this, and this we take h out of factors. So we get h bracket h minus 2 and plus this 3 bracket h minus 2 and equals 0. So now this we get h minus 2 bracket h plus 3 equals 0. And so this we have two factors equal 0. We get this h minus 2 equals 0 or h plus 3 equals 0. And now this we get this h equal 2 and this h equal minus 3. Okay, now this gets two solution. And now for this h equal 1 is h equal 1. So now I take h equal 1 to replace in this equation. We get 1 squared plus y squared plus y multiplied 1 is equal 7. So this we get 1 squared plus y squared plus 1 multiplied y is equal 7. And then we take this y squared and plus y, and this we get minus 6 equals 0. And we'll do like before. We get this y squared and plus 3y and this minus 2y and minus 6 is equal 0. And so now this I crop out this. Okay, crop out this. So this we get plus. Okay, now and now this I take y off our factors. So we get y bracket y plus 3 minus 2 bracket y plus 3 and equal 0. Okay, let's see this y plus 3 and this y plus 3. So we take out our factors. We get y plus 3 bracket y minus 2 equals 0. If two factors is equal 0, so we get one factor is equal 0 or one factor is equal 0. So it's y plus 3 equals 0 and y minus 2 equals 0. Okay, now this y plus 3 equals 0, so we can find the values of y is equal minus 3 and this y equal 2. Okay, so now we get the solution of the system of the equation. The h is equal this. For this solution, that this y is equal 1. That so now this h2 and y1 and this h minus 3 and y1. Okay, y1. And this solution is h equal 1. So we get this 1 and this y minus 3. And this h1 and y is equal 2. This now our solution. Okay. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Goodbye.